A dealer paid 15,000 to an agent as commission for the sale of a car. The commission was 2% of the price. How much money did the dealer remain with from the sale of the car? Now, the dealer is the person who is dealing or who sells the cars. Okay? The owner of the company which sells cars, or the owner of the business which sells cars. So that is a dealer. Okay? Now, what they do is they have people who help them to sell the cars. And these people, whenever they bring a buyer to come and buy a car, they are given commission based on the price paid to the dealer. Okay? So in this case here, we have a dealer and he has paid the agent who's brought the customer to buy the car from him 15,000 as commission. But the question is saying the commission is 2% of the price. See? Same question is telling us the agent was paid 15,000, and the same question is telling us that this 15,000 is 2% of the price. Okay? So, how much money did the dealer remain with from the sale of the car? So, after paying the agent, how much did or is the dealer having back with him? Okay? So, the price at which the car was sold is 100%. And the agent is paid 2% of what? Of that price of the car. Okay? So, we can say that price of the car is 100%. Commission paid to the agent is 2%. The dealer, the much money he remained with is how much percent? It's the 100% price of the car less the commission he paid out. Then he will remain with 98%. Okay, so dealer will have 98%. So now we can solve. We can work out the question. First, you'll say 2% paid to the agent is 15,000. It's 15,000. What about 1%? 1% is how much? So it is 15,000 divided by 2. Okay? So by 2, 1, by 2, 7,500. So this is 1% now. Okay? 7,500. Now you can find the price of the car, which is 100%. Then you can say, what about 100%? Then you multiply by 100. It will give you the price of the car. If you want to get what the dealer remained with straight, go for this, 98. Then you say, okay, if 1% is 7,500, which we have got from this working here, what about the much which the dealer remained with? It's how much? So it will be the 1% multiplied by the 98. So 1% is 7,500 multiplied by 98. So this will give us 75 multiplied by 98. 5 times 8 is 40, carry 4. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 4, 60. 5 times 9 is 45, carry 4. 7 times 9 is 63, plus the 4 we've carried is 67. So it's 0, 5, 3, 7. So we have, and then we have two zeros, 1, 2. So we have 735,000. this is the much the dealer remained with, if you go for 98%. If the same question was asking of what was the price, what was the selling price, at what price was the car sold to the buyer, then you will say if 1% is 7,500, what about 100%? The price which the buyer paid. So it will be now the 1%, 7,500 multiplied by the 100%, which will give us 750,000. Now this is the price now. Okay, how much the dealer remained with is here, 735,000.